Hello, today we've come to a local pond to see if we can get some pictures of the ducklings. In a previous video, which I'll pop here, pop there, of Richard going to see some ducklings at another local pond, I decided that after seeing the pictures that were stunning, that we'd give it a go today.
There's also nuthatches in the wooded bit here and other sorted birds, so fingers crossed we might see some nuthatches, which would be nice. We have done another video about nuthatches with the kingfishers, which you can watch. We'll put a link up here, and it's now starting to rain, so I'm going to cut this short and get the wet weather gear on and head down to the water. Hopefully we'll see some wildlife.
Rich is attempting to get an epic swan picture. The swans are too close. They're coming even closer. They're really interested in posing for the camera. Shooting with Nikon D850 2.8. Whoa, that's a close swan. I'm quite far away now.
I got them framed properly, they'd be lovely. Getting that golden background, it's really nice. They're all just too close. Tell you what, big Tammy would have been perfect.
Why Tammy? Why?
Because 300 was too much.
Ah.
That's how good a zoomed.
How close is close? What's your focal distance?
They're too close.
Shoo, shoo. Saying goodbye to the swans. It's raining now. And the ducklings are somewhere there. Oh, the heavens have opened.
Right, well, it's starting to rain. We've had a lovely afternoon down by the water. We've seen all sorts of wildfowl. We've had close encounters with swans, ducklings, ducks, little grebes, although we didn't manage to get them on film, I don't think, or take any images. But we've still had a lovely afternoon, haven't we?
Yep.
But it's now starting to rain, so we're going to head back to the car. But we're muddy, dirty, been laying on the riverbank to get the low point of view. Hopefully.
Oh, the little duckling just went up
Oh.
up that tree, climbed up that tree and dropped down again.
Oh, okay. Right, anyway, this is us signing off. Gem's there somewhere. Bye.